Hi, it's Matt from Morden Productions. From today, I'm going to be doing some videos about my art and my sculptures for my company. I have a real fascination with dinosaurs, so I thought it'd be great to do some sculptures of dinosaurs that I like. One of the favourite ones that I've done recently is the Velociraptor. Now I made this model out of polyester clay, and once it was heated in the oven, I was able to do a latex mould, which I will show you later, of the complete model. The idea to make the mould is to do duplicates, and this is the duplicate. Now these are paint yourself dinosaurs for kids and for adults, so people can be creative on how they would like to paint their own Velociraptor and hang it up on their wall. Here is one example that I did myself, so it kind of gives you an idea of what the finished product looks like. I'm really looking forward to sharing some of my techniques with you on how I do my sculptures, as well as hearing from other artists around the world on how they do their sculptures too. If you like this video, hit the like below and subscribe, and you'll be hearing from me soon with some more tutorial videos on how I do my art. Thank you and see you soon.